Welcome to Maynooth, a quiet little town in Ontario's Highlands. Though it's home to only a few hundred residents, it has plenty of small-town charm. Stroll along the main street and you'll find local shops, cafes, antique stores, and churches, all surrounded by beautiful forests and lakes. Maynooth is also a gateway to Algonquin Provincial Park, making it a popular stop for hikers, paddlers, campers, and nature lovers. Passing through or exploring the Highlands, Maynooth is a lovely stop that's well worth a visit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.